Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript problem solving playlist. So today we are going to uh, find duplicate values from an array. So this is an array on top 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. So we need to find out, let's just say, we want to find how many of fours are there. So as you can see from here that we have 3 fours, and we are going to find that with using binary search. In the bottom part of it we have our indexes from 0 to 8. Now how are we going to find it? First thing first, we are going to find out what is the starting index of our targeted number. So from here we can see that our starting index is 5 and ending index is 7. So if I subtract 7 minus 5, and so we should get the our desired numbers, so which is 3. And we are going to solve this problem using binary search. I have already solved this problem and now I'm going to explain it. So this is the function, this is the solution of it. First, we are going to take a left side and the right side. We are going to start and end, and then the loop, we are going to find the first occurrence first, and then we are going to find the last occurrence, and after that we are going to subtract the last occurrence and the first occurrence. And this is our array, and as you can see, when I call it, now I'm going to visualize see it with Coca.js. Here you can see the number of duplicate here is 3. Now if I give want to see how many of the 5s are there, then the number is 1. Now let's just say I want to see how many 2s are there, the number is 2. How many 1s are there? 2. How many 3s are there? 1. So this is basically it. Now I'm going to explain this. So first thing first, we are going to choose in the binary search. What we do is that we divide and conquer. We want to eliminate all the values that we don't need from the middle. So first we are going to take the left is equal to 0. First we are going to take first iteration for this code. Let's just look at this code. While left is less than or equal to right, then we are going to find the mid, and then the value of mid and compare the targeted number. If it is true, then we are going to decrease the right, and if it is false, then we are going to increase the left, and whatever we get is going to be the first occurrence. So let's see it. So for the first iteration, it is going to be left 0, right 0, and while 0 is less than or equal to 8, our mid is going to be 4. Now this is the mid here, this is the mid. Now mid is 4, is 3, our 4 is our targeted number, right? If 3 is greater than or equal to 4, no, it's not greater than or equal to 4. So we are going to go to the second condition, that is left is, we are going to increase the left by 1. So left is going to be mid plus 1 is equal to 5. So right now for the second iteration, our left is 5, this one. Now we are going to play the loop, and at this point our mid is going to be 6. So our mid is going to be 6 right now. It is the new one, so mid is going to be 6. Mid is going to be 6, and the value is right now is going to be 4. For index number 6, our value right now is 4. So the first occurrence, if 4 is less than or equal to, right? Yes, So our right is going to be, for the next iteration, is going to be 7. So right now our right is 7 and our left is 5. So we are going to play the loop and find the mid. Right now our mid is 6. So mid is 6. The value of mid 6 is 4 still. So we are going to, it is greater than or equal to 4. So we are going to decrease the right by 6. So our right for the next iteration is going to be 6, and first occurrence is still the index 5 because it is left, right? First occurrence is left. So for this iteration, uh, our right is 7, our right is going to be 5, and our first occurrence is still going to be 5. And for the last iteration, our right is going to be equal to 4, and if I go after that, then our right and left, our condition is not going to match because our right will get decreased by 1. So it is 5 less than or equal to 4. Our right is 4 right now. So it is not going to happen. So we are not going to play the loop. So our first occurrence is going to be index 5, which is index 5 left, index 5. So now we are done with finding the first index. Now we are going to find the last index. So the difference between these two codes, these two block of codes, is that if array mid is greater than number, when we were searching the first occurrence, at that time we were looking to find if greater than or equal to number, but at this time our condition is greater than number, not equal to. And let's find the last occurrence. Almost the code is mostly the same. So the last occurrence iteration. So for the first iteration, our mid is going to be 4, and we are left with, is 3 greater than 4? No. So our left is going to be 5. For the second iteration, our left is going to be 5. It is going to start from 5 and end at 8. Now, this is our mid right now. Mid's value 4 is greater than 4. The answer is no. So we are going to increase the left by 1. And our last occurrence is the right. So if I go to the second iteration, then we are going to increase the left by 1 again. Then for our next iteration, we are going to increase the left once again. And in this iteration, this is the last one. So if 5 greater than, now our mid is 8 obviously, and its value is 5. Is 5 greater than 4? Yes, so our right is going to decrease by 1. So our right has changed and last occurrence is right. And for the next iteration, it is not going to fulfill the while loop condition. So as we can see, our last occurrence is 7 and our first occurrence is 5. Now if I subtract 7 minus 5, it is going to give us 2. But do we have 3 duplicates? 2 duplicates or 3? We have 3 duplicates. So why is it showing that we have 2? Because in the beginning of the code, we have chosen the right to be array.length minus 1 because we are using the 0 indexed array. So we have decreased it by 1. So if I want to find how many numbers are there, how many duplicates are there, I need to add 1 to it. So this is the answer. So 5 minus 2, then we are going to add 3. Now let's just say if I add, this is ascending order, so the data has to be sorted. Now let's just say if I put 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, how many are there? There are 4. So if I give our target 15, it is going to give me 4. So we can see that our code is working. So this is the solution of our problem.